there, Champ Barbecuers. Today we're doing up some country style ribs wrapped in bacon on the Weber kettle with a slow and sear. Big old hunk of hickory in there. Let's get that thing lit up. We're gonna rub up the country style ribs with this Sweet Heat by Pit Boss. Wrap it in bacon, and then we're gonna hit that rub on that bacon a little bit as well. Put them in direct, cook them, and low and slow, baby. About 250. We're gonna go. Bacon wrapped country style rib. It's become a very busy cook. All right, so we got sausage patties. I got a ribeye. I got some onions and peppers. Caramelizing right now. Almost done there. Patties are done. Poppers are in this grill. those awesome cream cheese and the black jelly jam, and blackberry jam. Jeez, come on now. And some Korean chili sauce, which is killer. Then once I get these onions out, pop that ribeye in there with some minced up garlic and some butter. It's just rubbed up with some kosher salt and black pepper. Sear that off real fast. And then those country style pork ribs wrapped in bacon are done. They're resting, and we're going to slice into one of those. Like I said, it's become a pretty busy cook, but it smells delicious in here. Hell yeah. What? All right. It's been a hot one. Whew. Cheers. Now, everything's been resting. Let's check it out. One more. Poppers. Ooh. Ribeye. And that bacon wrapped country style rib. Oh. Let's give it a shot. Perfect. So perfect. So moist. Add barbecue sauce if you want. I think the rub and the bacon is pretty dang good just the way it was. But if you wanted, add some barbecue sauce. Hell yeah. Whew. Said it's hot, but I think this is the old lady's ribeye. I'm gonna cut it into it. I gotta get a piece. Smells just amazing. Yes, sir. Perfect. Wow. Cast iron pan, garlic butter. It's mighty fine. Hell yeah. Great cook. Awesome weekend. Love the fall. Love barbecue. Little man, Damien, he wanted to learn all about barbecue today. He was out here hustling and bustling, going to get this and get that, get this grill growing, check on this and that. Did a good job. 7 years old, boy. Teach him young. And with that, folks, I'll catch you guys on the next cook. Beer Champ Barbecuers, today we're doing up some... Why do you yell? Oh yeah? Alright. That was funny. Hit up the country style ribs with that. Soon as you hit record, I swear,